Well, folks, I wanted to bring you up to date on where I'm at with my automation and my outsourcing of my agency building. I am in the process of trying to build a telesales life insurance agency. And over the last few weeks, I've been doing a bunch of research as far as how to automate the process and outsource as much of it as I can. The reason I'm focusing on automation at the very beginning and outsourcing is because I really want that as the foundation for my agency so that in the future, if I do get to a point where I can grow, that it's very easily scalable. And I also really wanted to focus on the website and social media marketing from the beginning because I know that a big part of this industry is lead generation. A lot of people pay for their leads, and it just made sense to me to invest at the beginning to try to get these campaigns figured out so you have better margins throughout the whole process. And not only that, so that the learning process, as far as actually figuring out how to sell over the phone, it makes it a little bit more affordable as to the learning curve. So that is why I want to really focus on the automation and the outsourcing at the very beginning. I have decided to go with Titan Digital to do my website, which is in the process right now. I spent $800 to get that designed and built, and it's going to be for the package that I have that I've signed up for. It's going to be $125 a month to maintain that. I think there's definitely some gaps in the market as far as educational products on different types of life insurance, different types of agencies, different types of benefits that are available. I'm really hoping to have my website just be a hub for education, free educational content, and just make it very, very easy for people to understand life insurance, understand their options, and sign up to talk with an agent. I also went with Titan Digital to do my social media marketing, and that was $500 to set up. It's $300 a month to manage, and then plus whatever ad spend or whatever budget you want to spend on your ads after that. And I am planning on spending about $1,000 a month to generate leads through my social media marketing. With the social media marketing, I have decided to start with final expense for the reasons of just being a little bit easier to convert, although they're going to be smaller policies. And I think it's going to be a little bit easier target market to reach as far as the social media marketing from the beginning. Also, I think that there could be a really good growth opportunity as far as that demographic moving into Medicare. That might be one of the growth strategies that I implement. I haven't decided specifically the exact route that I want to go as far as growth. The next thing that I have paid for is the Leads for Life organic Facebook group lead generation system. That costs $2,500. I am putting together a video as far as my whole process going through that. So this would be a fantastic time to go ahead and subscribe so that you can follow me along in this process. But I'm through module 2 right now, and I've just filled out the client worksheet, and I have a consultation scheduled with Kyle in a few days so we can get my template built for my Facebook page. I really need to have a system in place that I can capture lead information and being able to really kind of sort through those efficiently and being able to market to them as far as SMS campaigns. I really want to have that figured out before the social media starts rolling in, the paid campaigns and the organic campaigns and the website. So that's kind of my next step, is really diving into the CRM. So I am going to go with the company High Level. And the reason I'm going to go with High Level is they have SMS marketing capabilities. And I just feel like it's a little bit more professional. I think it's geared kind of towards specifically what I'm trying to do. And I think it's quite robust. And it was specifically recommended to me by somebody that's doing a very similar agency. Again, I'm going to be doing a video process of me going through the CRM, setting it up, my thoughts about it. So again, this would be another good time for you to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you also hit the notifications so that you know when these videos are coming out. I'm hoping to kind of do some of this heavy lifting as far as figuring these processes out and just showing you the way that I'm going through this so that maybe you can learn from it. Maybe you can just steal exactly what I'm doing, or, you can go the complete opposite direction because maybe it's in failure. I don't really know yet. We will figure that out. As far as timelines, I am hoping to get the CRM set up in the next couple of days. I'm hoping to kind of have the organic Facebook system ironed out in the next week. Then it's just kind of hitting it hard and trying to figure out these systems. The website should be done in like a month, timeline of 2 to 3 weeks as far as the social media campaign actually getting going. Honestly, I am basically not really expecting to have good results from the social media marketing campaign for a few months down the road. Hopefully that's way over conservative, but that's just kind of what I'm preparing myself for. So hopefully the organic thing produces. That's kind of where we're at right now. Just taking it one step at a time. I'm really excited to be in the implementation stage and not being in the research stage. It's exciting. It's a little scary, but things are starting to get real. I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video. I'd appreciate it if you share and come join me in this journey and let everybody else know that this is going on. So that's pretty much what I've got right now. Keep your eye open for some of these other videos that are coming down the pipeline, and I hope to see you there. All right. Thanks for your time, guys.